is currently raining. It's nice out though. I thought I'd try like this vlog thing because, you know, rain and all that. It's supposed to be calm. I don't know why, but it is. So, guess I'll just hang out here. I'm in the desert, so this is a pretty rare occasion for me, honestly. It's nice though. It's calm. Honestly, didn't realize it'd be this nice. Our potatoes are dying, but there's like a ton of them in there. Like, they're literally popping up out of the ground. So, can't really say that we're failing potato-wise. We are in the desert, so the fact that potatoes were even sprouting in the first place, pretty impressive. This is nice. This is good. It's 6:35 in the morning. Rain's coming down slightly harder, yeah. But this is cool. This is nice. This, yeah, it's dry. So here, probably should dry off my phone there. Huh. That's cool. Coming out of there. Nice. Guess I probably don't have to water the plants today. That's a plus for me. Huh. You know what? I'm in a new song, and you know, I think it'll do best considering how it sounds. I think it'll do good in this weather. And I am a self-idolizing bastard. And I really think that you are one true friend. So I'm sorry I messed up in the end. I wake up feeling this way, well alive. that means I wouldn't have to face my fear of trying. I wish I could change, but on the brink of going insane. I don't know what will I do in the end, because I am a walking disaster, and I am a self-analyzing bastard. And I really hope that I didn't hurt you in the end, because you really were my one true friend. You told me you were my one true friend. You know, considering that last song was pretty bad, and you guys probably would rather hear a song that was better and not made by me, so we have a scared of dentists and dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations of all my friends to green. The magician's assistant in that
significantly better than most of the things I've ridden. So that, yeah, concludes my pajama vlog. Yeah.
In the rain. So, yeah.